Hey guys, how you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the Sephora Favorites Deluxe perfume sample. The mommy's over there. Say hi, mommy. Hi. She's over there in the couch watching her cartoons like always. Okay, at this time of the day. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the perfume samplers that I got from Sephora. I got this one maybe like 2 days ago. Usually my videos go like that. I usually get the items a couple days before or something, before I film, obviously. Okay, so in this perfume sampler, it was a holiday kit. Right now, they're on and off on their website for this kit, so you need to keep checking to see when they're available, actually. So yeah, I thought that I wanted to try this one just because I wanted to try the little mini samplers before I get the full one. And I already got the full one too, really yesterday, so I'm going to show you guys which one I chose. So in this perfume sampler, even right here, it tells you you can try the samples they have, then choose your favorite, and then you have a voucher right there that's you're gonna redeem for full size. So on this one, it's gonna be the Julie Has a Gun. That's your first option right here. Okay, Prada Beauty from Prada Candy, Valentino Replica, Maison Margiglia, Versace, or the Carolina Herrera, New York. Just the high heel one right here. So I'm going to show you guys so you guys can see what you get. Okay, you get this certificate thingy on it. Okay, it's just like, it tells you about the perfumes, the scents of them, what they smell like right here. This has warm floral notes on them, just like Carolina Herrera one. Okay, let's see, this is the first one right there. Julie Has a Gun, a perfume. It's so warm and sheer type. Right here, it's just the top one. Okay, the Fire Replica by the Fireplace, warm and sweet gourmand. Okay, the Prada Candy, warm and sweet scent to it. Okay, the Valentino Donna Born in Roma, warm florals. That one right there. And the Versace is going to be floral, fresh floral scents. So right there. So you guys can see actually the packaging. Let me pull them out. This is going to be just like the little standard size, little travel size perfume. This one right here. See, I don't know what type it is. Okay, it's a spray type right there that you get with this one. So that's pretty neat that you can try different ones, because I've never had any of these before, so that's why it's a good deal to get these, so you guys can try like different ones before you commit to a full size one. The Prada Candy, small, just right there. Okay, love it. I have had a sample of this one before, just a little tiny one, so I know I like that one. Okay, here you go, this one, the Valentino, this nice little one. It doesn't have any lettering on it, you know, just like these ones. Okay, it's a Replica by the Fireplace, and I think this is just the one that you put someone in your hand and dab. So it doesn't come with the spray one and nothing on it. Okay, this one is gonna be Versace. See, does it? Oh, it doesn't even have some lettering on it either. Is it the one that you twist or what? Because I can't even open it. Let me see. Okay, yeah, it's gonna only be the one that you dab on it, and I guess it has it on the top, the name. See? And I don't mind these ones, guys, because I know sometimes people don't like the ones that, you know, just like this one. They prefer the spray. For me, I don't, you know, I don't mind. You know, it's easier, yeah, with the spray on, but I don't mind getting these ones either. And for the price, you know, you basically get in these for free just because the perfume that I got. Let me see. See, that one is the one that you dab to. Look at this. It's so beautiful. So bougie looking. Just like that. The tacones. See right there. So beautiful. So I love that one. And okay, this one, like if you really want a good deal when you get this set, the best one to get is going to be the Julie Has a Gun. just because you get more for your money. Just because the sample of that one, I got a 3.3 4 ounces. You see that? Right here. And the other ones, like when you're trying to get the full size ones, you're only saving a few dollars. You know, so you're really getting more for your buck if you get the Julie Has a Gun. If that's really the one that you want out of all of them. See, because of the available, so it says you can get a full size. But right there it tells you what redemption size you're going to get. This one is a 1.7. The Calorinadera. Julie Has a Gun, the 3.3 4 ounces. The, you know, this replica, 1 4 ounces. For the redemption size, Prada, 1 4 ounces. The Valentino, that again. The Versace, 1.7 4 ounces. So you're getting really a good deal just with the Julie Has a Gun. Because this one, it retails for $140. You know. So that's the best that you're going to get for your buck when you purchase that. That's because, remember, this is $80. So let me show it so you guys can actually see it. Okay. See, look how beautiful it looks when you get it. Let me open it. Okay, 3.3 4 ounces. Look how big it is. You know. So, and it's got like ceramic type material. And I hadn't smelled it, obviously, since I had opened it. Let me see. Because I guess it's not a perfume. It's like it goes with your scents of your own order. Oh, it smells so good. And you have to give it like a minute to set or something. I read on it. So, yeah, look at that. The packaging. So beautiful. And it's like heavy, guys. Good quality. For $140, yeah, you'll be expecting that, you know, anyway. And it's a unisex perfume. Okay. Look how beautiful it looks. And you can display it or just gift it to somebody. Whatever you decide to do with it. You know. So beautiful. I'm just going to display in my beauty room. I just love the scent right now. Oh, yeah. And so everybody, when you actually get the scent and put it on, it's going to be different for everybody. You know, you have to read about it just to understand what I'm saying, but everybody has going to have a different odor scent when you spray this on. So yeah, that's what I liked about it, you know, because I never had something like this before. And then this ones, you basically just get them as like freebies. So, you know, for $80, it's not bad, you know, just because you're basically just paying for that specific one. And I'm telling you, if you want your money to work for you, you'll get the one that's more valuable, which is going to be this one. If you just want to save a couple bucks, yeah, you probably get one of these. If you want to save more than a couple bucks, a few bucks more, just get this one, because this is going to be way beyond the $80 you paid for it. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys, just to show you what you guys can get. The $140 value for $80, not a brainer. You know which one it works more for your money. It's going to be this one. So yeah, but it's up to you guys, whatever you guys want to get. And you're still getting the little minis, so you're still getting more for your money. So yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys this video so to give you an idea of what you guys get yourself into when you purchase this kit from Sephora website. Again, it's on and off from their website, so just random days they're just going to be available, and some days it's not going to be available. I just saw that they have a newer kit of this little samples too, so there's another option. It comes with the full size too. Just read the description, guys, because sometimes the redemption of the certificate, it tells you which size is available for you to redeem. So make sure it makes sense what you're getting yourself into before you choose your full size. So yeah, that was it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.